Hello everyone, I'm Sai Jatin. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the 4G plus speed test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus Poco X3 device. As you can see, friends, so a lot of users that did ask me this kind of question that how is a premium range mobile phone is compared with the mid-range segment mobile phone in terms of the 4G plus speed test results. So that is what I'm trying to do right now in this video. So right now my iQOO 7 has got the 4G plus update couple of days back, and I was able to use the JioSIM with the 4G plus successfully without any kind of problem. So let's check, friends, how this 30,000 mobile phone is compared with the mid-range segment 15,000 mobile phone in terms of the 4G plus speeds. So which phone will be having what kind of speeds? So this is a really interesting test, and this is my first time doing this kind of comparison with the premium end phone smartphone versus the mid-range segment mobile phone. So let's see how much score we can actually expect in this kind of 4G plus speed test. So right now in the iQOO 7 I was able to get about 11 Mbps and 12 Mbps. So this is an indoor 4G plus test which I'm trying to do. So in my home, only near the dining area and the kitchen room, I will be able to get the 4G plus. So in my studio, I won't get the 4G plus in the iQOO 7 device. So this is an indoor condition where I am getting the 4G plus. That is the location I have selected to see maximum how much we can get the 4G plus signals. So another thing is that in the Poco X3 there is another problem, which is a low signal internet speed problem, which is present in the Poco X3. So I did plenty of videos on the topic regarding how to increase the internet speed as well. So let's see, friends, how it is compared with the iQOO 7 device in terms of the connectivity. So this is a really good interesting test to see. So right now in the iQOO 7, which I'm trying to get about close to 10 Mbps and 15 Mbps. So right now it's 12 Mbps, as you can see, friends, 13 Mbps, it's increasing. So let's see in this location using same SIM card how much the Poco X3 can get mid-range segment mobile phone. So that's a very good test right now. So let's see, friends, what will be the results. And in case if you are interested to buy any of the smartphones or any of the gadgets, so make sure to check the links in description, friends, for the link. So you can use my link and you can buy. So that will definitely help me and support me in terms of buying more and more phones in the future. So make sure to check the links to buy your products. So right now for the third time I'm trying to do the testing. Third time it went up to 30 Mbps. It's really good. As you can see, friends, in the iQOO 7 device. So inside my house, near the kitchen room and dining area only. So 25 Mbps I'm trying to get. In my studio room, I used to get only, I think, 5 Mbps and 6 Mbps with a normal 4G. So whenever I want to use high speeds testing, I need to come to my dining area to use this kind of 4G plus. So let's see what will be the results in the Poco X3. That will be really interesting comparison. So in case if you love this kind of unique kind of comparison, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. So highest is so far the 25 Mbps. So right now I'm trying to remove the same SIM and I'll try to use in the Poco X3 in front of the camera. As you can see, friends, same time I'm trying to show you. So this is a JioSIM card which I'm using. So let's see JioSIM card by using same SIM card, how much speeds we can get in the Poco X3 device. So kindly make sure to hit the subscribe and do support me, friends. So let's see how much speeds we can get in this Poco X3. And Poco X3 has got the Android 11 update. So make sure to check that video in case if you haven't got. And very soon you'll be also getting the update Android 11 in the Poco X3. The iQOO 7, no need to worry, you'll be getting anyway with the Android 11 out of the box. So I'm trying to use the SIM one as well. So let's see. I think it's not fitting properly. So yeah, finally I got it correct. So let's see, friends, what will be the results in the Poco X3 in terms of the 4G plus, and I should be able to see the 4G plus on the top of the notification panel without any kind of problem. So let's see. Yes, I was able to see the 4G plus. As you can see, friends, clearly you're getting 4G plus and with full signal bars in the Poco X3 device, no issues till now, as you can clearly see here. So now the time to check whether the speed test will be more than the iQOO 7 or not in terms of the speeds. That is what I'm trying to check right now. So that is what I'm trying to compare, and even I'm trying to use the same kind of Jio server only. So let's see whether the Poco X3 can beat or not. I think Poco X3 has got close to 15, 16, 17. Yes, it's going up. The meter is going up in the Poco X3. So that's good in the Poco. As you can clearly see, friends, 14 Mbps, 15 Mbps. 4G plus I'm getting 17 Mbps. As you can see, friends, mid-range segment mobile phone, which is a Poco X3, 17 Mbps it can also reach, as you can clearly see, 17.1. So let's see the upload speeds. Upload speeds are not so great, only 30 Mbps, not much, so that should be fine. So let's see again, second time testing I'm trying to do, how much scores will be there. So as I said, the Poco X3 did experience a pretty bad network connectivity issues in terms of the low signal mode. So whenever the bars are close to 1 bar and 2 bar, the internet speed will be really low in this phone, in the Poco X3. But still it was able to perform really great. But let's see friends, what will happen with the results. So usually this is a problem, so many times it takes a lot of time to connect to the server. So let's see how much speeds the second time the phone gonna get. And second time the phone reached up to 14, 17, 18, 19 Mbps and 20 as well. We got 20 Mbps till that it did reach. So 19.20 and 19.40 Mbps. As you can clearly see friends, the upload speeds are also great. 1.98 Mbps, 1.62. As you can see clearly, 1.35. So right friends, second time also the phone reached up to 19 Mbps. That's really consistent. So now let's see the third time. So third time whether the phone can actually beat the iQ7's speed or not. That is what I'm trying to check. So meanwhile I did connect to only to the 4G place only toward the time, so there is no much interruption. And you can see friends, 18, 19 and 25. And in this phone we got 19 Mbps. So let's see the third time. You can see the 4G place and 4G it's changing in this Poco X3. That is what there's some kind of problem from the beginning. There's a problem friends in terms of the connectivity in this phone. So I used to get this message every time when I'm trying to do the speed test. So let's see what will happen right now in the third time when I'm trying to do. But till now it was kind of equal to iQ7 device in terms of the speeds in my location exactly. And kindly use my links to buy the smartphones and gadgets and the cases as well, in case if you're interested. And let's see with third time what will happen with the results. I'm very curious to see third time. Third time 11 Mbps, 10 Mbps, it's quite low. 12 Mbps, 13 Mbps, it's increasing. 13, 12, I don't think it will reach above 20. So at this point I think 19 Mbps is the maximum highest speed which got recorded in this phone, in the Poco X3 device, and 25 Mbps is the iQ7's mobile phone which got recorded in terms of the speed test comparison between both phones. And for more comparison, similar kind of things, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button as well friends. So don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist of both smartphones, so you can find plenty of videos on the both devices which are uploaded recently. So as I said, the Poco X3 did receive the Android 11 update, and I'll try to keep you posted regarding the battery charging and all those details. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Bye.